Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with a new one to show you how you can do that. And now just click here on the widgets icon, and here you can see all the available widgets and applications with the widget that you can add. For example, we can go with the clock. Here we can see that we got 4 different type of clocks here. For example, we can go with a regular analog clock. Just to add the widget, hold for a while this widget and drag it, for example, here on the left down upper corner. Here we can change the name of this widget. As can you see, we can make it smaller or bigger, and also we can move this widget here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, or also we can move the widget between the screens, or also we can create the new screen with a widget. By the same way, we can add one more widget here, for example the calendar. By the same way, we can select one from these types of the calendar, for example the calendar shadow. Just hold for a while or click to the plus icon and you will add this widget here on the device screen. We can also change the size of this widget by the same way, and if you want to just remove the widget, hold for a while, click to remove icon, and by the same way we can remove the second widget. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.